So what I'm doing here is I'm gonna make pepper powder. Then you can do this one of two ways. I'm gonna use some cayenne peppers and some jalapeno peppers. These are jalapeno peppers that got to the red stage, so the powder will be red. You can do it with green, same thing, don't matter. Just a little bit different taste, but you gotta get that little piece off at the end right there. Now you can do this, I know two ways to do this. I'm gonna do it the expedited way of speeding it up by dehydrating this. You could thread these on a string and hang them outside and let them dry out naturally in a dry area, like under your porch or something, you know. You can hang them and they'll dry. But I'm gonna give them the old dehydrator and it'll be done probably before this evening. Alright, I'll show y'all later. Alright, you just put the peppers on the dehydrator. This is an old dehydrator. My wife got this for me when we first got married. Old Sunbeam. But this is old. I think she paid 20 bucks for it. What a deal. Can't get it like that now. And this is super duper one. Got the fan in it and all. It doesn't have the digital time set or heat set, but I gotten to where I'm used to what I need to do when I do jerky or anything. But this is a good one. I've looked them up. They're about 50 bucks now. So I told her, I remember when she came home with it, she goes, I got this. I don't know if it's good. You like it? I said, you should have bought every one of them. Never saw them again. Anyway, so you put these on, peppers, and just 2 racks. That'll be enough. And I'll set it going. I'm going to put it on the porch outside. Alright, I got it outside on the porch. Just 2 racks. That'll make plenty. That's gonna make plenty of pepper powder for right now. Could make a lot more, but oh, I had the switch on, so it's on. And we'll come back later, a few hours from now. Alright. That's my beautiful wife. She doesn't want to be on any videos because she's so popular. She don't want to be any more famous. So this is, hello everybody. So this is what we do with the peppers. They've been dehydrated to the point of cracking. I mean, that one hadn't, but I mean, I could have probably dehydrated them more. Actually, I think they rehydrated, and I might have to dehydrate these some more. And that's what I'm gonna do. I think they pulled up a little bit more moisture. Alright, just put these little peppers in here. Cayenne peppers on the top. I did some jalapeno peppers on the bottom. Alright, it didn't make much, but it's a pretty good bit for right now.